Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to TV Zine. Today, we're talking about a story that's got everyone from Lord of the Rings fans to Game of Thrones enthusiasts buzzing. The revival of extinct species through cutting-edge DNA technology. Imagine walking into a world where magic isn't just in fantasy novels and films, but is actually being harnessed by scientists to bring back creatures thought to be lost forever. Colossal Biosciences, a biotech startup based in Texas, has made headlines with the recent birth of genetically engineered dire wolf pups. And if that's not enough, they've got some serious celebrity backing. One of the first to celebrate the birth was Game of Thrones author George R.R. Martin, who met the pups and offered a tribute to Colossal's work. "I write about magic," Martin said, "but you have created magic." That's right, folks. The man behind Westeros is saying that Colossal has achieved something truly magical with their DNA technology. Now, we can't help but think of Jurassic Park when it comes to the idea of bringing back extinct species. But Colossal's mission is different. They're not building a theme park. They're about conservation, restoration, and returning balance to fragile ecosystems. They're using CRISPR and other genetic editing tools to revive the DNA of ancient animals like woolly mammoths. The process involves taking preserved DNA from extinct animals and modifying the genome of their closest living relatives. For example, Colossal's woolly mammoth project involves re-engineering the DNA of Asian elephants. It's a complex process that requires patience, dedication, and a whole lot of science. And it's starting to pay off with the successful birth of dire wolves. The dire wolves have become a symbol of what's possible when imagination meets innovation. Colossal's efforts are captivating a global audience, with support from storytellers who built some of the most iconic fantasy worlds of the last century. As Colossal said, "This is our chance to bring back a piece of the past to help preserve the future." So there you have it, a story that's got us all thinking about what's next for science and technology. From J.R.R. Tolkien to George R.R. Martin, we're seeing how DNA technology is bringing fantasy worlds to life. And who knows what other surprises are in store? That's the world of TV Zine, folks.